I'm Matt, my wife Peggy, and our son William. And this is the story of us getting our first sailboat and learning how to sail as a family. So follow along as we get to discover the beautiful waters of British Columbia. Well, good morning. It is Monday in October. It's gross out, it's foggy and wet. And today we have a haul out scheduled for our therapy. So at 11 o'clock this morning, we're going to take it to Ladysmith Marine Services. They have a hydraulic trailer that'll back in, pluck the boat, put it on stands, scrape it, wash it, paint it, and then take a look at some through holes that are acting up and need to be serviced. So I'm just pulling up to the old man's house now. He's going to give me a hand shuttling vehicles and the boat back and forth and helping me with the lines. So a little bit here, we'll be down at the marina and get on with this. So it took almost no time at all to sail over from our marina to the boatyard. Alright, first time doing any of this. Yeah. Pretty nervous.
That's good. Good angle.
First time through this process.
Here, well, hang on.
Alright, so how does this go? Just jump off the boat?
Yeah.
The heroes of Ladysmith Marine Service? Kim and Doug with Ladysmith Marine Services were great, and their crew was super friendly. There she is, just yarded out. So yeah, we got her pulled out. Doesn't look so bad on the bottom, better than I expected. We saw a couple little sneak peeks on the GoPro initially, and it looked pretty furry, but not too bad. Well, the team at the boatyard wasted no time. As soon as the trailer was gone, the pressure washer came out and they got into it. Just like that. Well, after just a few days, the repairs were all complete and it was time to dunk her back in the water. Okay, getting ready to give our therapy a good scrub. Beautiful day in November. Here is all the stuff I took out of the lazarette storage compartment, just in the cockpit. Some stuff to go, some stuff to organize, some stuff to clean. I don't believe I need everything back in there. Found some really good spare parts though, which is great. Some boat wash and brushes. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, so fingers crossed a good scrub will get all that stuff off the bottom. The dinghy itself is in great shape. Alright, project clean out bilge. It's pretty grimy, and we have some small leaking in here. Looks like it's coming from the bow. There's a little bit of a trickle there that slowly accumulates, which I don't like. I'd like to have it bone dry, if at all possible, of course. But this is current state, and give it a good scrub, investigation, and did identify that the bilge isn't properly wired. Right now it's on a switch, so if the switch is off, that bilge will submerge completely without any power going to the pump to get it rolling. So I have to fix that, so there's a handoff auto kind of situation. And yeah, alright, stay tuned. Well, it does look better. Still got a lot of work to do, but give it a pretty good clean out. Now I think you can tell a little trickle there, so there'll be some further investigation toward the bow. See if we have a fitting or something that's wicking or leaking slightly. But yeah, I want to get that dried out and scrubbed again. Replace one of these hoses for the bilge. It has a crack in it. And then maybe put some fresh paint in there just so it brighten it up to identify any leaks or issues. Okay. Alright, she's all cleaned up, just putting everything back together. Looks much, much nicer, much brighter. Big job. Took me far longer than I thought it was going to take. So definitely going to have to do it more often so it's a smaller task. But yeah, very happy. Looks very sharp. Beautiful day out here. Cannot believe it's early November.